A lot of people think being rich means driving luxury cars, wearing designer clothes, and posting expensive vacations on Instagram, but here's the shocking truth. People with real wealth don't need to prove anything to anyone. True wealth grows quietly, away from the spotlight. And more importantly, getting rich doesn't just happen by winning the lottery or landing $1 million contract overnight. Building wealth is a long game, made up of small, consistent choices every day. Those who understand this save money without sacrificing what matters, invest without fear, and steadily grow their financial security. And then, one day, they realize they've achieved something most people never will: financial freedom. But how do you know if you're already on the right track, even if you're not rich yet? Here are the key signs that your financial life is headed in the right direction. Sign number 1. You no longer feel the need to prove your wealth. If you've stopped trying to impress others with expensive clothes, luxury trips, or flashy social media posts, that's a huge sign that you're on the right path. Financially insecure people often feel the need to show off what they have. But you're focused on securing your future, not on gaining approval from others. That shows financial maturity. Those who truly understand wealth know that success is about security, not status. Sign number 2. Your money is working for you. In the beginning, you trade time for money, working a job, doing side gigs, running a business, but the real turning point comes when your money starts working for you. If you already have investments generating income, rental properties paying you, or any form of passive income that grows without you having to grind every day, you're playing the game the right way. While many people are stuck living paycheck to paycheck, you're building financial freedom, and if your money keeps growing, even while you sleep, then you're in an even better position. As Warren Buffett famously said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Sign number 3. You have more than one source of income. If you've started earning money from different sources, whether through investments, rental properties, side hustles, or even a small business, you're setting yourself up for long-term financial security. Having multiple income streams reduces risk and allows your money to grow in different ways. As Warren Buffett also advises, do not put all your eggs in one basket. This is essential for ensuring financial stability and long-term growth. Sign number 4. You stopped increasing your lifestyle every time you get a raise. Many people make the mistake of upgrading their lifestyle every time they earn more, buying a new car, upgrading their phone, spending more on clothes, or moving to a bigger house. But this keeps them trapped in a cycle of always wanting more without actually building wealth. If you got a raise but didn't rush to spend it, and instead kept your expenses steady or even cut unnecessary costs, you're on the right track. True wealth is built patiently, by keeping expenses under control while income grows. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep and grow. Sign number 5. You can handle emergencies without panicking. When an unexpected expense pops up, like a car repair or a medical bill, do you stay calm because you have an emergency fund? If so, that's a strong sign your financial health is in good shape. Having a financial safety net means you don't have to rely on credit cards, loans, or overdrafts to cover surprises. If you already have this cushion, you're building a strong foundation for financial independence. Sign number 6. You don't work just to pay bills. Wealth isn't just about how much you earn, it's about the freedom money gives you. If you've escaped the cycle of working just to pay bills and survive, you're already ahead of most people. Even if you're not rich yet, having enough savings to cover a few months, or even years of expenses means you're preparing for something bigger. It gives you the freedom to make decisions based on your future goals, not just your immediate needs. If you're already on this journey, you're heading in the right direction toward financial independence. You're not just working to pay bills, you're working to build a life that's truly worth living. Sign number 7. You focus more on assets than liabilities. Assets are things that put money in your pocket, like investments, real estate, and businesses. Liabilities, on the other hand, like expensive cars, designer clothes, or flashy gadgets, only take money away. If you're choosing to put your money into things that grow in value over time, instead of spending on things that lose value fast, you're building real wealth. Sign number 8. You prioritize long-term investments over quick money. People who truly want to get rich aren't chasing fast cash. Instead of falling for risky investments that promise absurd profits overnight, gambling on day trading or jumping into sketchy betting schemes, they focus on what grows steadily over time: high-quality stocks, rental properties, real estate funds, or their own business. They understand that patience and consistency are the real keys to financial independence. If you're already thinking about long-term growth rather than quick wins, you're on the right path. Delayed gratification is one of the strongest indicators that you're building real wealth. People who lack patience end up paying the price, falling for scams, losing money on high-risk investments, or drowning in unnecessary debt. Sign number 9. You understand the power of compound interest. If you're investing in stocks, real estate funds, bonds, or even properties, and letting compound interest work in your favor, congratulations. You're building wealth the smart way. Here's a quick example. If you invest $1,000 in a fixed income asset with an 11% annual return and leave it for 20 years, your investment will grow to over $8,000. But it gets even better. If you invest just $500 every month for 20 years, you'd end up with more than $412,000, with a massive $291,000 coming purely from compound interest. If you've already realized this and started applying it, you're ahead of most people. Sign number 10. You've developed a strong financial mindset. If you used to see money as something just to spend, but now you understand that it's a tool for long-term security, you're already ahead of the game. People who master their finances don't rely on luck. They study investments, learn how to build wealth, and make smart, calculated decisions. If you're watching videos, reading books on personal finance, and actually applying what you learn, congratulations. That's a sign that your financial mindset is in the right place and will help you build lasting stability. Sign number 11. You seek financial independence, not just retirement. Many people spend their entire lives waiting for retirement, hoping they'll finally be able to relax after decades of work. But those who truly understand financial freedom don't settle for that. Instead of relying on a pension or social security, they focus on achieving financial independence as soon as possible. They invest in income-generating assets, like rental properties or businesses, that provide returns without requiring them to work every day. Their goal is to build wealth that gives them freedom, without depending on a single paycheck. If you're already thinking about financial independence now, rather than just waiting for retirement, you're on the right track. Sign number 12. You manage your time like you manage your money. Many people become obsessed with money, but those who are truly on the right path understand that time is even more valuable. Lost time can never be regained. That's why successful people don't just manage their finances, they also manage their time wisely. If you've started prioritizing what truly matters, cutting out distractions and saying no to things that don't add value to your life, you're moving in the right direction. Wealth isn't about showing off, it's about having control over your life and choices. It's about using your time wisely to build a future where you're not constantly chasing money. Wealth doesn't happen overnight, it comes from daily habits. Investing, saving, learning, and making time work in your favor. If you already have these habits, you're closer to wealth than you think. True wealth isn't about proving yourself to others, it's about having freedom, security, and the power to decide your future. It's not a one-time event, it's a process built over time. So invest in your time and freedom now, and soon, you'll see the results of your efforts. If you found this valuable, like and share, it helps me keep bringing you content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.